to Anirux channel. I'm your host Allegra DX, and in this video I will tell you interesting facts about giraffes. Number 1. These gentle giants are almost 6 meters tall. Giraffes are the tallest mammals to walk the earth. Their legs are taller than most humans, and even a newborn giraffe is taller than most people. Giraffes stand at around 4 to 5 meters high, with the tallest giraffes ever recorded being up to 6 meters. That's taller than 3 men standing on each other's shoulders. Number 2. Giraffes have some of the biggest feet in the animal kingdom. Imagine going to your kitchen cupboard and pulling out a dinner plate. Well, that dinner plate is the size of a giraffe's hoof, and what a heck of a hoof it is. Many people aren't aware of this fun fact about giraffe feet, as the other humongous body parts can overshadow it, but they are also pretty mind-blowing. With a diameter of 30 centimeters, their tremendous hooves are used to distribute their weight, preventing them from sinking into sand or marshy areas. Number 3. Giraffes have exclusive access to treetop leaves. Giraffes are known as browsers and enjoy exclusive VIP access to the freshest leaves from the tallest treetops. Despite its impressive size, the giraffe diet is plant-based. Giraffes enjoy munching on acacia, mimosa, and wild apricot trees. Their elongated neck helps them reach the tallest trees. These trees tend to have deep roots that can suck up more water content, so a giraffe can quench its thirst through its choice of food. Giraffes have access to parts of the trees that provide the most essential nutrients. This gives giraffes an advantage over other herbivores, and means they do not compete for food with any other animal. Number 4. The giraffe has a long neck with only 7 vertebrae. The giraffe is the last standing land mammal to evolve a super long neck since its ancestors during the Jurassic period. A male giraffe's neck can reach almost 3 meters in length. Coming in at second place is the ostrich at 1 meter, no competition there. What's even more fascinating about their elongated necks is that giraffes still only have 7 neck vertebrae. That's the same number of bones as a human neck, except their bones are much, much longer than ours. Number 5. Giraffes are exceptional pollinators. One of our favorite giraffe fun facts is that they are beautiful pollinators to many plant species. Their great height and super long treetop feeding tongues allow them to transfer genetic material onto their mouths, from one flower of a tree to another. How fascinating is that? What a way to contribute to the African circle of life. Giraffes are essential in this pollination because they have evolved to feed from branches that other animals cannot reach. So without a giraffe, some trees would struggle to spread. Number 6. Giraffes' coat patterns are unique, like our fingerprints. All giraffes have spotted coats, but no two giraffes have the same pattern. Some researchers can even recognize individual giraffes by their distinctive patterns. These spots may have evolved at least partly for camouflage, which could be especially valuable for youngsters who are still short enough to be vulnerable to predators. The spots might also help dissipate heat around a giraffe's body, since the skin temperature is slightly higher on the darker regions, and could play a role in social communication. Number 7. They have high blood pressure. Since giraffes' heads are located so far from their hearts, their bodies face a unique challenge in pumping blood up to the brain. As a result, giraffes have evolved extremely high blood pressure of 280,180 millimeters Hg, which is roughly twice that of humans. According to the Giraffe Conservation Foundation, a giraffe's heart typically beats 40 to 90 times per minute when resting, but it may surge up to 170 beats per minute when the animal is running. A giraffe's heart can weigh up to 24 pounds. Reportedly the largest heart of any land mammal, although not quite as large as once believed, the Giraffe Conservation Foundation explains. The heart reportedly relies on unusually thick walls of the left ventricle to generate such high blood pressure, pumping up to 15 gallons of blood through the body every minute. Number 8. Giraffes only have bottom teeth. Did you know that giraffes lack upper front teeth? They have the same amount of teeth as humans. However, one of the most interesting things about giraffes is that all 32 teeth lay on the bottom of its mouth and are mostly molars positioned right at the back. Giraffes use their bottom teeth to grab a branch and then comb the leaves off. So when you see a giraffe without upper front teeth, it's not because of a giraffe brawl. That's what evolution intended. Number 9. Giraffes have predators. A baby giraffe is extremely vulnerable to predators, especially hyena. The vicious animal will hunt and attack as it can't manage a solo kill due to the giraffe's size. The only animal on the savannah to take a chance on hunting an adult giraffe is a lion. When a giraffe is drinking at the watering hole, it is most vulnerable because its neck is at lower ground. This makes it difficult for a giraffe to spring back and flee if there is an attack. However, a lion would have to be pretty brave to tackle a giraffe in the first place. The size of an adult giraffe compared to a lion is striking, and if a giraffe gave one kick from its powerful leg, it could easily end the lion's life. Number 10. Giraffes are endangered. It's not a fun fact about giraffes, but this is the most important giraffe fact you need to know. While giraffes are sadly declining, mainly due to habitat loss caused by increasing agriculture, people still poach them for their tail hair, pelts, and meat. Giraffes are now extinct in 8 African countries where they previously roamed, including Guinea and Mali. Today, you can only find them in sub-Saharan Africa. They are also a vulnerable species on the IUCN list. There are many conservation groups leading and supporting the wild giraffe to ensure their survival. Hopefully, we will not see the great giraffe become extinct like its long-necked Jurassic ancestors.